How to mirroring Android phone to TV without mirroring cable. This is the unit. Connect TV by HDMI. This is the USB for power. This is USB hub to connect the mobile phone. Okay. This is Android phone. And the first, go to the setting. Okay. Go to the button. About phone. To the button. Keep touch. You will go to the developer. Back. You can see developer options. Now we find the USB debug. On. Allow. Okay, your phone will mirror into TV soon. Okay. Now you can share anything. Photo, video,